Good morning and welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Crypto Evolve, hosted by Viable Markets, the industry's first market structure conference focused exclusively on cryptocurrency. Joining me for this segment is David Mercer. He's the CEO of LMAX Exchange Group. Thank you very much for joining us at Crypto Live. And let's talk about the panel that you were just on, from Silicon Valley to Wall Street. What were some of the key themes?
The key themes were about how the institutional market's developing. I guess we focused on two or three issues, one being liquidity required, two being the custody requirement, and also access to the market.
Let's talk about that. What are some of the key factors that institutional investors are looking for when it comes to cryptocurrency?
So look, again, I can probably shorten that down to two things that the institutional market is looking for. They need a depth of liquidity. That depth of liquidity isn't there in the marketplace today. And the second thing is they need to know security of their funds. So as good as their coins in a bank account, or in our case, in a vault, right, in an insured vault. So I think that's the key thing. There are some credit and settlement issues which don't exist in other asset classes that are normally disintermediated by banks. You don't have those disintermediaries today. So those are the major concerns, I'd say.
All right, let's talk about LMAX Digital and how are you addressing the requirements that institutional investors need?
I think one step back for LMAX Digital, which is that we operate 5 exchanges globally, and 4 of them are in the fiat world. So we have 3 in London, 1 in Tokyo, 1 in New York, and they're institutional exchanges. So 300 institutions connected to LMAX exchanges. That includes all the world's largest banks and the biggest prop trading firms in New York and Chicago. And what happened was we stayed out of the crypto space. We let the evangelists, we let the computer scientists develop this market. But then our core client base, particularly the funds in Chicago and New York, said, David, we need you to create an institutional-grade cryptocurrency exchange, hence LMAX Digital. So we researched it over the last 9 months, and we launched it a month ago. And I have to say, the uptick in interest for LMAX Digital is unprecedented.
Oh, that's where the growth is, I would imagine. So let's wrap it up here. What differentiates LMAX Digital from other platforms, and how important is trust going to be in this space?
So I think what differentiates LMAX Digital from everything else right now is we're solely focused on the institutional market. I take my hat off to the web platforms that open 100,000 accounts a day, that have 11 million customers. That's something we couldn't dream of and we'd never seek to do. But what we bring is institutional grade liquidity and that distribution already. So I think in a nutshell, LMAX Digital is about 3 things. It's trust, transparency, and technology. That trust, transparency, and technology that the institutional market needs.
All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us at Crypto Evolve.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.